Hi guys, today I will discuss Java, and previously I will discuss XPaths and identifiers, object identifiers or element locators, and so many things I will discuss previous videos. First of all, that video will check it out, and let's get the started video. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. And Java is very most popular language, and Java is unique, classic, and evergreen language in IT industry. Java is helping operating and creating programs in Selenium. How to operating, and future videos I will discuss. And first of all, Java we will discuss, and Java helping to Selenium identifying and providing results and outputs using Selenium with Java. And Java is a object oriented language, and Java history etc. I will is not discuss that information. I will discuss only topics in the application. And Java is three types of Java is there. One is standard edition. Another one is enterprise edition. Another one is micro edition, mobile edition. These three editions are very popular, but I will discuss J2SE edition. Why? Because this is a core Java only, not advanced Java, not necessary, only necessary in core Java, not advanced Java necessary, only core Java standard edition, advanced Java interior edition, micro mobile edition, not necessary, only necessary on core Java. And core Java is very free of source, and how to install Java. Two types of installations, but we will use more number of companies, more number of systems, and more only using Eclipse. Eclipse is a integrated environment development. This is the main reason Java using. And how to download Eclipse. Eclipse IDE download. Eclipse IDE download. IDE means integration development environment. Okay, that's the reason. Java IDE, Java IDE, Java developers and Java using this. And sorry, only for Java. These are the enterprise editions. Java IDE, Eclipse IDE is only available. That's the website. That's the website is Eclipse IDE. Search the Google Chrome, search the Eclipse IDE, and first link, click on first link, and scroll down in the last. Java IDE, Java IDE is there in the top button, and download the Java IDE. And another web page opened, and let's download Java IDE. Java ID, sorry, Eclipse ID, not Java IDE. Sorry guys, Eclipse IDE. Install this Eclipse IDE. Is another web page is started. This is a Java IDE, Java jar file. Okay, this file download and install that file and simply set up, and this is the file and Eclipse. Download the Eclipse and write the program, and this is a Eclipse interface, and I am installation is done. Your installation small settings are done, small settings are there, and set that and file. First of all, this is the Eclipse IDE interface, and program is let's start the programming. And IDE means interface. First of all, we create how to use Eclipse, write the program and execute the program. Eclipse using write the program, executing the program. And Java JDK also available in this URL. Note this URL and download. But Eclipse, I preferring Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE is more easy to understand, more easy to write the program, more easy to execute the program. Okay, and my preparation Eclipse IDE we download, and this link, this type of link IDE is download, and Eclipse IDE. Write the program, execute the program. First, Eclipse IDE the open the Eclipse IDE and open. And next step is creating package. Create the package. Package is there. File. Click on the top file. Click on the file and then scroll the new, and options is there, and Java option is there, and click on Java project, and Java project is there. Java project name, any name, and I am DURGA, not including ABC, any file, and finish this. And next, I'm creating package. And next step, what is next step? Creating package done, and creating project is done. Not a create package. Creating project is done. Create the package. Next step is create a package, and let's select the double click on project and double click on SRS document, SRS కాదు SRC document, and right click on SRC document and click on, and so many things are there, and select the package. This package select, and I am any name, I am A1 name. Finish the A1 name and creating package. I am creating package. I am creating project. I am creating package. Two are done. Last one, creating class. Creating class under coding. Let's start and create the name, and let's right click, only click on package, only scroll on package and click on button, and new, and class is there. So many things are there, but class you select class, and class name dra, draw, and a class name, and you select public static void and finish. Let's start. The interface, the class is ready, and to Eclipse, write the Eclipse file, open and write the program, execute the programs, and create package. I will create the package and create sorry, I will create project. Sorry, I will create project and create package. I will create class. Three are done. Three stages are done. Under coding is started. Under coding. That's the coding. And first of all, we create the file. Click the file and click the new and create the project and create the project. Click this file, right click and click the package, create the package and click the package, right click on the package and click the class is ready. And let's the starts program. First of all, we create only main method. Okay, main method is public static void main and string args, great string args. Okay, one main reason is every coding executing only on main method. Under main method we execute the program. Under outside the main method will not execute the program. Okay, first we need to start only under main method, not the outside main method. Not the outside main method to writing the program is not printed, only main method under the printed. Okay, let's create the simple project, Java program. System system dot out dot println hello world, hello world, and printed hello world. And let's that print this and this, run this button. Also right click and check run as configuration, Java project for application and Java application. Hello world is printed. Okay, hello world is printed. Once again, click on right button, run as Java application. Hello world is printed. Okay, hello world is printed. Okay, this is the main this is the main advantage and system ordered print advantage is hello world. And class class is a keyword. Class is a keyword. That's the reason is printing is predefined keyword class. And system ordered print is user defined, is me defined, user me. Class is predefined. Program the program. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. Okay guys.